Hello, welcome to the course Hardware Projects using Raspberry Pi. I am Satyajit and I'll be the instructor for this course. This course is for anyone who is interested in learning about physical computing using Raspberry Pi. The GPIO pins of Raspberry Pi are a great way to interface with physical devices like resistors and sensors with the little Linux processor. If you are a Python lover, there is a sweet library called rpi.gpio which handles interfacing with the pins. If you are a technology enthusiast and want to learn a cutting-edge technology, then this is the right course for you. I will teach you how to go about building this project. I'll also share the source code with you so that you can replicate the project by yourself. I look forward to you joining this course.